All right, I'm here with another quick tip that's really helpful if you're a Google user. So in the Google suite of tools, Google has its own AI tool called Gemini, and that's really the one that is helpful to use in the education context because it's a little bit safer than some of the others that are out there in terms of data privacy. And now you can easily look up anything using Gemini or have it start on a project for you from your Chrome Omnibox. So the Omnibox in Chrome is the search bar at the top of your screen or the URL bar. And what you'll do is you'll do the @ symbol and start typing Gemini and it pops up. And now instead of just searching Google, we are asking Gemini. So I'm going to say, create a 5-question exit ticket on ancient Mesopotamia for 7th grade social studies students. And here we go. Once I click enter, it's going to think here for a second. And now it's like I just started that prompt in Gemini. So it saved me a step of going to the website, opens it for me, and now it's already making those exit ticket questions for me. And then from there, I can copy this, paste it in Google Doc, export it into Gmail, export it into Google Doc if I need to, and then continue to edit and refine it. So just a little helpful hint here, if you're using Gemini or want an AI assistant that's pretty easy access, your Chrome Omnibox is the way to do it.